Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Amazon search not loading. First of all, restart the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then find Amazon, then swipe it away. Next, you're going to turn off any VPN that you're using. Then head over to your app store, search for Amazon, and then make sure to update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Next, clear app data by offloading the app. Go ahead and open your settings app, go to general and then iPhone storage. Scroll down, find Amazon, click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Safety tip: avoid third-party search tools tied to your Amazon account. Quick fix: use Safari and search on Amazon.com, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.